back in, another break. Donruss Elites 2010. 4 hits per box, usually 2 autos and 2 jerseys. Sometimes you get lucky and get a patch. I've not gotten really lucky, got a patch auto, but I know they exist somewhere. So, here we go. Start from the left side. Less cards here to go faster, but more packs. Alright. First one, Prime Targets, Brandon Marshall, numbered to 999. Filler. Do it, none. Do it up. Yeah. We got Stars of the NFL, Michael Turner. That one's numbered. $9.99 probably. And base. Let's see. Turner's, I think, numbered $9.99. Yep. Chad Henne. Taylor Price rookie variation, numbered to $9.99. I guess you do get an insert in every pack. Alright, next pack. Oh. Making me nervous.
Tough one.
Making me nervous. Alright.
Eli Manning.
Passing the torch, Brent Jones, and the back should be Vernon Davis or Crabtree. And Vernon Davis, number 999. Very cool. 49ers. And base. Mox Sanchez. Oh. We got our first jersey. Our first hit. Let's say jersey. Sean Jackson, and it is of Matty Ryan, Matty Ice. Kind of cool. I like him. $2.99. All right. Cool to get an auto of him. He actually grew up and went to high school not too far from us, where Megan and I grew up. Joe Hayden is the first rookie, numbered out of $9.99. Joe Hayden. Zoning Commission, Ray Rice, numbered to $9.99. Base. Rough. Goes the bag. Oh, she pulled from the left-hand side.
Not my friend.
Dog's acting tough over there. Oh, we got our first auto. Let's see who it is. Golden Tate. Nice. Not
Rookie.
bad. $2.49.
It's a rookie auto.
Yep. Turn of the century. Rookie auto. Not bad.
Donovan McNabb.
Yep.
Sad.
Not excited about him anymore. No longer an Eagle. Playing for the hated Redskins now. Cadillac chain reaction, numbered to $9.99. And base.
I should keep these for my class. I'm going to use them somehow.
Your class likes this?
I don't know. I can use them somehow. I don't know how yet.
Alright, I have a ton of them.
Yeah, just put them in a bag.
Yeah.
Josh Cribbs, Phillip Rivers.
Andre Johnson Elite Series, numbered to $9.99.
And base.
Base. Yep, $9.99. Next pack. Dexter McCluster, rookie, $9.99. And Michael Crabtree, base.
The last one.
No. It's fun.
Yeah, it's fun.
It's kind of fun watching you open these.
Andre Johnson, Bill Sheaf.
Brandon Graham, Eagles rookie, first round draft pick. $9.99. No Sean and Nate Burleson. Yeah, the Eagles don't have really any great rookies to collect this year. Whoa, 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 whoa! Out of order.
Get ready.
Out of order. You said you weren't gonna do it anymore. And then you grabbed one. No, I like it. It's ambition. Rob Gronkowski, rookie for the Patriots, $9.99. $9.99. Base. Alright, Megan has hers ready to go. Looking for 2 more hits out of this. Donnie Brown, Marshawn Lynch. Oh, one without any hits. Yep. No hits out of that pack. Or, not hits, but, you know what I mean. Inserts, yeah, that's what I meant. Lonnie Miller, $9.99, Cowboys rookie. Base.
Ow.
Oh, you okay? Oh,
No.
we got a auto? Nope. Dominic Franks.
Rookie.
Status, what is that numbered out of? 93 out of 99. Cool, die cut rookie. Those are always nice. And then we got base. Okay. 4 more packs, 2 more hits. On average. Here's the auto. Who was it of? Shea Hodge. Whoa, 1 of 1.
Wow.
This is the black variation, kids. Very cool.
Look at the sides.
Yeah, it's die cut. 1 of 1 out of Mississippi. Receiver. Cool. That's a pretty good hit.
It's a quad. You can actually read it.
Yeah. And it's the first 1 of 1 I pulled from this product. Awesome. Very cool. You're my lucky charm, Meg. Should open up more packs with me.
Ryan Grant.
She ignored me. Oh, we got a jersey. Got a hit. Patrick Creighton.
29. Oh, it's a
Cowboy. Down in distance. Just a jersey card. Yep. Alright.
It's the first jersey card.
That's the second jersey card. Matt Ryan was the first one. 2 more packs. This one does not have a insert in it. It's just base. And last pack. Cool. 1 of 1. Good thing Megan didn't open that one. Yep, we know who he is. He's a bad man. Oh, no inserts for like the rest of the packs. That's hilarious.
Crap.
Yeah. So very cool. To recap that box, pretty good box. Down in distance. Patrick Creighton jersey. Shea Hodge 1 and 1. Status. It's the black variation. Dominique Franks out of 99. Rookie die cut. A nice Golden Tate auto out of 249. And a Matt Ryan single colored jersey. So there you go, guys. Pretty good box opening for the week since we came back from vacation. Good to be back. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you guys want anything. Thanks.